Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this making this hot plate. I started thinking it would be really easy to take away the kerf. Whenever you cut anything, these two lines are going to cut out, and the pieces aren't going to fit in as tightly. I have a video on how to get rid of that, and with some glue, but it'd be nice to make the kerf even tighter. And what is neat about this, let me back up here. A lot of these parts are identical. These three parts are identical. These three parts are identical. Matter of fact, I think they're identical. Let's flip them here. And they are a match set. No, they're not. They're a little different. Okay, so those three are the same. So you'd only have to run kerfs on those four, and just to play it safe, I would run the kerf on these four corners. And this takes just a little bit of time, and what I should have done, I should have made a copy of this so you'll know they'll fit together. These 9 are all the exact pieces. We proved that in the last video, and just to prove it again, move it over 1 inch. Whoop. Got my nudge factor set on 7. Move this over 1 inch and it fits right on top of that other one. So you would only have to do one of these. You would only have to do one of these because these are equal. You could do one of these, your 4 corners, and one of these. So really and truly, you'd only have to run kerfs change on these pieces. So that doesn't really take that much time. So you got your 4 corners, and then you got your interior parts. And to run a kerf, to make them fit tight, and what it also is going to help with this crack too, because you're going to kerf them equally out. This takes just a little bit of time, but if you cut out the first one and it's too loose, you'll appreciate this. Change your contour to 0.003. I found works the best, to the outside, and hit apply. That contoured it just a minute little amount. Then you would take and arrange, break contour apart, try to grab the black one and move it out of the way 1 inch. That one is done. I would delete this so you won't get confused. Do the same thing on that and hit apply. Break contour apart. You can do it this quick. And see, I grabbed the red one. So you need to make sure you grab the black one, because the black is your contour. Let me do one more. See, right here is your pen tool, and that's determining your kerf line, your contour line. Go up to arrange, break contour apart, and try to just grab the black one. And a lot of times it's almost easier to grab the red. We'll do it one more time, and here's a little insight. Let's contour it, break it apart. And if you just select the middle, you selected the red because it's inside that other one. And then do that for these other pieces. And that's why I said I should have made a duplicate of the drawing before I started, so you'll know where these go. You know, this is definitely an inside. This is an inside top. This is an inside left. And see, because I didn't rotate them, this is inside to this way, so they will fit together. This is an inside bottom. So there's your 4 major players, and then your outside dimensions. So if you don't rotate them, and then you just need to remember how many you made to make it. Well, let's just do that. We need 3 of these, Control D. Because there's those. Going to fit together like glove. You need 3 of these. So just, I didn't make a duplicate. So then you need 3 of those, and they're going to all fit together. Well, let's just put these two sides together. And this is a little inside here. Let's just do this right quick. Get them close so we can zoom in. And just to know you've got them right, if you will grab with the pick tool, grab that node right there, and it should snap right to that. Because I'm under view, I've got snap to, object on. Let's go up here, zoom in. And you don't ever have to put these pieces back together because you're going to cut them out separately. And then just grab that node. Sometimes Corel does that with the shape tool if you do it like that. But grab that corner node and it's going to snap to it. You could grab any of them. We could grab that corner node and have it snap to that corner. It's a little tricky sometimes. And there are your, well, let me go ahead and do them real quick. Sometimes it's easier to grab that sharp corner because it's going to definitely snap to it. So there's your outside your box, and then this would be your middle. You need 9. You need 2 more of that, 2 more of this. And see, these have not been contoured, so you need to think about that. And by contouring them all, let's see if we can see the difference. See the difference right here? This black one has been contoured. The red one has not. So it's going to actually fit into your, I call it a well. This is your recess. It'll fit in there tight. At 0.03 ought to fit perfectly. And you would glue all this down, and sometimes you actually have to snap them into place because the contour is taken up and made it perfect. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.